Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be exploring the world of wine rack stylish and functional storage solution for wine enthusiasts. Whether you are a wine connoisseur or simply enjoy the occasional glass, a wine rack can add elegance and organization to your collection. Join us as we discuss the benefits of wine racks and showcase different designs options to suit your style. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest video. Let's dive in. Proper wine storage is essential for preserving the taste, aroma, and quality of your wines. We will discuss how wine racks provide the ideal condition for storing and aging your bottles. From maintaining the right temperature and humidity to prevent light exposures and minimizing vibration, discover why a dedicated wine storage solution is must for any wine lover. Benefits of wine racks. Wine racks offer a range of benefits beyond storage. We will explore how they help organize your wine collection, maximize space utilization, and make bottle selection easy. Additionally, wine rack can serve as decorative element, adding a touch of sophistication and showcasing your wine collection as a focal point in your home. Types of wine racks. Wine racks come in a various styles and designs to suit different needs and preferences. We will showcase popular options such as wall-mounted wine racks, countertop wine racks, floor-standing wine racks, and modular wine racks. Explore the features and functionalities of each type and determine which one best fits your space and collection size. Material and finishes. Wine racks are available in a wide range of materials and finishes, allow you to find the perfect match of your decor style. We will discuss options such as wood, metal, acrylic, and wrought iron, highlighting their unique characteristics and visual appeal. Discover how different materials can complement your existing furnishings and enhance the overall ambience of your home. Capacity and flexibility. Wine rack comes in a various size and configuration to accommodate different bottle capacities. We will explore single bottle holders, small racks for compact spaces, and larger wine racks for growing collections. Learn how to choose a wine rack that offers flexibility to expand or adapt as your collection evolves. Display and presentation. Wine racks not only store your bottles but also provide an opportunity to display and present your wines beautifully. We will share ideas on arranging your bottles, showcasing labels, and create an aesthetically pleasing wine display. Discover how to transform wine rack into visual centerpiece that adds sophistication to your home. Wine rack accessories. Enhance the functionality and convenience of your wine rack with accessories designed for wine enthusiasts. We will discuss accessories like wine glass holders, cork storage, wine bottle openers, and wine tasting notebooks. Explore how these accessories can complement your wine rack and enhance your overall wine drinking experience. That concludes our video on wine rack stylish and functional storage for wine enthusiasts. We hope you have gained valuable insights into the benefits of wine racks and the different designs options available. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow wine enthusiasts. And don't forget to leave a comment below sharing your favorite wine rack style or any question you may have. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.